Grooming is an essential part of keeping your dog healthy and happy. It prevents painful matting, keeps their toenails at a comfortable length, and helps lower the risk of ear infections as well as hugely reduces chances of periodontal disease. There are a wide variety of choices, so how do you know who to entrust with the care of your dog? Whether you choose a traditional salon, a mobile groomer, or someone's small in-home salon, here are 10 important things to look for when choosing a groomer for your dog. Let's dig in. The foremost concern should be, can this person or business safely handle your dog or restrain them in a safe manner if needed? The grooming process should not cause any severe physical discomfort or injuries due to improper handling or restraint. These certifications show a commitment to safely getting the job done with your dog's well-being as a top priority. Aside from certifications, there should be processes in place to ensure the safety and well-being of your dog while they're in the care of the bathers and groomers at any facility. Disinfecting and cleaning of grooming and bathing stations, as well as equipment, are important factors for the overall health of any dog that steps into the facility. This factor encompasses many different facets that, when enacted, show compassion for the dog and desire to reduce stress and discomfort to allow for a more positive grooming experience. Dog groomers do not require any prior training or certifications. However, knowing a groomer has undergone supervised training and certifications indicates their dedication to quality and knowledge. Many educational centers, both in person and online, offer courses with exams, hands-on training, and assessments. This assures the groomer has mastered at least the basics. Look for evidence they're continuing to learn and expand their knowledge. There are always going to be advancements in any field, and it shows a commitment to the craft. Keeping up with the latest techniques, styles, safety measures, and other factors show a professional dedicated to doing a quality job safely and efficiently. A good groomer will not only educate themselves, they're willing to take the time to educate you as the owner. This means giving you the knowledge on the techniques and tools you'll need to maintain your dog's coat in between grooming appointments. They'll show you what brush to use, how to brush your dog's coat, and other methods so your dog doesn't end up with matting, tangles, or skin irritations. Your education doesn't just stop there. They'll also let you know of any problems your dog faces with the grooming process and give you tips on how to help your dog overcome that for a happier and smoother grooming experience. Even with the utmost care and attention to detail, any number of things can happen. There are also natural disasters we can't always account for. The groomer or facility should have plans in place in case of emergency. No facility should have more than one dog per person at any given time in case of an emergency. Fires, tornadoes, or earthquakes can happen at any time without warning. If the dogs and staff are at a 1-to-1 ratio, each person can grab a dog and evacuate safely and quickly, ensuring everyone's safety. If staff are running around trying to corral multiple dogs or just leaving dogs behind, serious injury or loss of life may occur. There are many coat types out there that require their own specific care. A good groomer takes this into account and offers services based around the dog's individual needs. The basic supplies to keep your dog's skin and coat healthy should be included in the price of the bath. A one-size-fits-all approach with grooming products can lead to dry, damaged coat or dry, irritated skin. This is last on the list for a reason. Not only are the previous considerations much higher priority, experience doesn't necessarily dictate quality, compassion, or professionalism. Nonetheless, experience is important. You may have a rarer breed you want in a standard groom and need someone familiar with that in order to provide the service. You may have a young puppy who isn't totally used to grooming and needs someone experienced in grooming wiggly dogs in a safe manner. Ask your groomer how long they've been in the profession and any relevant questions for your dog. So there you have it, 10 signs of a knowledgeable and compassionate dog groomer that keeps your dog's safety and health at the forefront of what they do. When looking into a groomer or salon, focus on looking for safety certifications, cleanliness, compassion, and continuing education to ensure your dog receives top-notch care. Of course, you should always check out reviews from multiple sources when making your choices. Not everything is what it seems on the surface. On the flip side, some of those reviews can be disgruntled customers simply because their dog was cut short due to lack of brushing or brushing improperly, so take some of these reviews with a grain of salt. Following these guidelines will ensure your dog stays healthy, happy, and well groomed. Until next time, stay curious and keep digging.